Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, the founder of OptionPit.com, and this is the AM Volatility Report. Good to see everybody. It's a great morning.
That's the thing that
we had a great event over the weekend. We had a lot of people there. It was a lot of fun, and we're glad people were able to kind of come and hang out, and we really enjoyed having Keith come and talk commodities. But let's talk about the market now. You can see here we are, S&P down, the RUD is down, the Dow is down, the NASDAQ is barely eking higher. Why is the NASDAQ barely eking higher? Apple momentum. Watch as it blows through 105. There's going to be some serious upside pressure as this sucker is rallying through 105. That is what I think is the greatest kind of danger of kind of a large, surprisingly large upward move in Apple, and that's because there's so much short gamma. If you go to August and you look at the 105 strike, huge open interest in the 105s, 106, 107s, and 110s. September, which is out further, even more. Lots and lots and lots of action on the 100s, 105s, 110s. All that short premium is going to have to be dealt with as Apple rallies if people don't want to lose their stock. That is likely to drive Apple higher. That's why we like owning Apple calls at vol with vol this low. Bonds backing off. Well, they were a little overbought. Not surprised. Gold. Jeff Gundlach out today saying, "Oh, I love gold." Well, today he doesn't, but it's just interesting how many people are starting to look at gold. I don't buy it as a safety asset, but it could go higher. On the day, you can see the S&P backing off a bit and a nice little rebound. Adjusting for the weekend, VIX is up 15 basis points, not a lot, but still points toward, kind of the weekend effect being done with, and now the VIX probably going to settle somewhere around 12.5 here for a little bit. I think that there is some risk, not with the August 3, but with the August 17. We firmly believe there is a strong chance that VIX could settle below 11 for August expiration if everything ends up in line. That's just something to be very aware of. While VIX is up, if you look at the futures, most of them are down a touch, and that's just this convergence of future to cash. The only one that is up is August, expiring Wednesday, which is essentially right on top of the cash index. I mean, right there. And so, if you're looking for a two-day proxy to VIX, you could buy a VIX future. If not, well, we think the August settle could be a lot lower than the August 3 settle is going to be. All right, and finally, oil. Oil vol seems like it's having its last little gaps before it kind of rallies back. There's still a supply glut. They turned on the spigots for a little bit, but don't think it lasts. I'm looking at oil as an opportunity to sell volatility premium. Still a few more earnings. Some of the banks responding to the stress test today. But all told, we're expecting a flat day and lower volatility. All right, folks. On that note, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon. If you've got an email, so you can call me, 888-TRADE01. You can email me, mark@optionpit.com. Have a good one.